Hello everyone and welcome back to SoCalerific. Today we are back here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We are here for a really short trip. We're just going to go in and out and get these updates. So let's see what we can find. So come along and let's go. Okay, so we just finished the studio tour. Of course, as you know, it's the first thing I do just before it gets too packed. So they did have the Rumor Killer Clowns maze. They did put the soundproof walls up, so I couldn't see too much, but they are putting like some more forestry in front of the tent. I did see on Instagram from Versace Vibes, you put a photo and you clearly see like a clown, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be killer clowns. Also, we went by the tram construction and it looks like they put like a lot of lighting up. They have like this little like facade up, so I'm super curious to see exactly what tram is gonna be. They haven't announced it yet. There are little rumors, but we don't know for sure. But for now, those are like the few updates that we got, but things are definitely moving along for Halloween Horror Nights.
Things like, yeah, just sit down and talk about the idea. What if this?
Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Now closed.
And Universal has been very fortunate to work with generation-defining directors like Alfred Hitchcock, like Steven Spielberg. We are now thrilled.
It is time for our Super Nintendo World weekly update. And this is what the current land is looking like for now. Here's just a little overview. And let's take a look at the warp pipe. No green paneling as of yet, but I'm sure it's gonna come pretty soon. And now it looks like they're working on some sort of mural right over here. So interested to see what they're gonna have for that, but still coming along. Okay, I like to always look like at the posters, what they're promoting on the side of the mummy, because they did get rid of the Nope stuff. And currently we got Beast, Halloween Ends, we got Jaws in IMAX and in real 3D for the first time. I bet you that's gonna be super cool. And She Said. I don't know, I just like to look at this, just see what's going on with Universal and their promotions. Okay, so we have made our way to the lower lot and they did open a character shop. So now you can find your Super Nintendo World merchandise on the lower lot. There was no new merchandise really, just like a few items I hadn't seen, but they do have it in both areas. I know they have this on the upper lot too, but I haven't seen this in person. They do have now this Bowser oil like bin, and it does say Super Nintendo World. This is $15. I also got a new shirt that I haven't seen in person yet. It's like this Chomp Chomp shirt. That is super cool. I love this collection. This is $35. I do like that color as well. But the store is actually decorated really nicely. It's so cute. They had like the banners. They had like the designs on the walls. And I just like a lot of the features. So they did a really nice job. And all of them feel a little different. Like they have like their own little uniqueness. But yes, another Super Nintendo World shop. They're definitely getting ready for this land opening. Okay, and I do think that the kids are going back to school because the crowds are not as bad right now, especially like for summer crowds, just because we've been coming and like, let me tell you, those rides fill up so fast. But right now it feels kind of nice, like the walkways aren't super crowded, so maybe lower wait times during the week are coming here to Universal. Like even right now, Juliet is out, and usually like she's like surrounded by so many more people, but right now it's pretty light. It's like nice little time.
Like a walking T-bone steak for them. Let's go. They're not bothering you.
Eyes on me. Blue, hold. Eyes on me. Blue. Hey, that's more like it. Calm down. We're moving. Good. Good job, girl. So Vetex, she's displaying disobedience, though she's responding to verbal cues, just to make sure everybody read the fine print on the waivers you signed. Yes?
Okay, so it is currently 11 a.m. and here are the wait times. Oh, okay, here they are. As you can see, even Secret Life of Pets is not even virtual today. 55:20. By now, it would at least be 60 minutes for most of these rides, so not bad for a Friday at 11:05 a.m. Here's a better look at that mural. But again, nothing as of yet, just like this nice blue on the side of the building. Okay, I know someone asked me for like a update on what they have for the Halloween Horror Night merch. And as of now, they just have the Horrors of Blumhouse. And they do have like a few ornaments as well. But I'm sure they're gonna be getting like a lot more coming soon, you know, where they decorate the store. But right now, that is all they have. And for all you Back to the Future fans, they have the DeLorean with the hoverboard, like this mug. That's pretty cool. It's only $17. And many of you have probably already seen, but this is my first time seeing it. Walls are officially down and you could see the entire facade. They even have like a well here. This is just looking so nice. Alright, so there is no like official announcement on what this house will be, but of course it is looking exactly like La Llorona, so that is what it seems like it's gonna be. And oh my goodness, I can't get over it. I just love how everything just looks so good. They do have the lighting out already, so that will be displayed on the facade. You know Halloween Horror Nights is coming when the fire towers are out. This is so exciting to see this. I cannot wait like for them to start putting up props and decorating this whole area once again. Currently waiting by stage 52. I haven't seen a lot of characters lately and I just wanted to get some as they come out. Good morning!
I'm having a fabulous hair day.
Oh, you look fabulous!
Fresh as a daisy, right?
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna go check in at the garage. You have a fabulous day. Enjoy the sunshine.
Thank you,
I
Gabby.
give you a ride, but my car's in the shop.
Thank you. Oh, that's true. Her cab has been removed for the fire towers. Hello. Hello. We also have King Julian coming out. They are intrigued with the sweep the floor equipment.
Yeah, this fight faster. This play by Frankenstein. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, go down there. Hey, there we go.
Of course, we come into the Universal Studio store because I want to see if there's anything new. But let me say, I just noticed this top right here, and I like it. I love like a distressed gray top with Universal Studios. A little plain, simple. That is cute. And this is $30. Alright, I gotta say that there are not so many crowds right now. Look at this store. Usually when I film, I try to get it fast just because I don't want to be like in people's way while they're shopping. But right now I could actually look at everything. Okay, I'm here by what will be the Blumhouse maze, and it looks like they did take down a wall, and you can just see, you know, just a little more than usual. And it looks like another wall is currently down for the Blumhouse maze. How cool is that? You can actually see a little more than usual. All right, everyone, so that was our short trip here to Universal Studios Hollywood. Fortunately, it is so hot. I will not be going to the Curious George parking lot since we parked in the Frankenstein parking today. But we did get a few updates, but don't worry, we will be back next week and I'll make sure to get some more. So for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button because we're gonna have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys.